Hi everyone, open up your browser and type Visual Studio Code. Hit enter and here you can see the first link, Visual Studio Code. Click on it and here is the official website of Visual Studio Code. In the middle here you can see a big button, download for Windows. Okay, click this button and it will download Visual Studio Code for Windows 11. It's downloading. Okay, click on it, minimize the browser. Hit run to begin the installation and accept the agreement. Click next, click next, click next, next, and finally hit install. Okay, hit finish and it will launch Visual Studio Code. Here it is. Okay. On the left here you can see Files, Explorer. Just click on it and here you can see the existing file. If you would like to create your first file, just here you can see plus sign. You can see new file, click on it and enter the name. Just test.html. Hit enter. Okay, here it is. Press Ctrl exclamation, hit enter and here is the first code. Okay, that's all.